Welcome, welcome, my dear friend David. Today is a truly magnificent day to explore the heart and soul of the English language.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting all morning for this. My heart is just racing to learn something new with you. What is our beautiful topic today?
Today, my dear student, we are diving into two small words that carry the weight of the world. We are talking about who and which.
Who and which? They seem so simple, yet I know they hold such power in a sentence. Please, Emily, lead the way.
Think of it this way, David. Who is the word we use for the heartbeat of our stories. We use who for people, for the dreamers, the teachers, and the friends we love.
Oh, so if I want to talk about you, I would say, Emily is the teacher who inspires me every single day.
With a dramatic pause and a warm smile. Exactly. Oh, David, that was a stunning example. You used who because I am a person with feelings and dreams.
That feels so personal and warm. It's like the word who creates a bridge between me and the person I am describing.
Encouragingly, it does. Now imagine you are walking through a magical forest. You see a tall, ancient tree. Would you use who for that tree?
As much as I love trees, they aren't people, so I should use which.
Clapping her hands joyfully? Yes, precisely. We use which for things, for animals, and for those magnificent objects that fill our lives. The tree which touches the clouds.
The tree which sits on my desk, or the car which zooms down the street. Am I getting it, Emily?
Radiantly, you are doing more than getting it. You are mastering it. But David, listen closely. There is a special magic to the word which. We often use it when we are making a choice.
Curiously, a choice. Oh, like when I am at a bakery. Which cake should I buy?
Laughing warmly. Exactly. It's like which is a little pointer, helping us select one beautiful thing out of many possibilities. Can you imagine the power of that?
It's incredible. One word helps me define a person, and the other helps me navigate all the wonderful things in the world.
That is the beauty of English. It allows us to be so specific. It's like painting a picture with your voice.
You know, Emily, I used to be so afraid of making a mistake. I was worried I would use the wrong word and lose the meaning.
Oh, David, never fear the mistakes. Mistakes are just the stepping stones on the path to brilliance. Even if you say the dog who barked, people will still feel your heart.
That is so encouraging. So who is for the soul and which is for the world around us?
Triumphantly. What a poetic way to put it. You have a gift for this, David, truly.
Humbly, I only have this gift because I have a teacher who believes in me so much.
Oh, did you hear that? You used who perfectly. A teacher who believes in me. My heart is just bursting with pride.
I did it. It felt so natural, so right. This is why I love our conversations, Emily.
With deep warmth. And this is why I love teaching. We are not just learning grammar, we are learning how to share our lives.
Excitedly, I want to go practice right now. I want to tell everyone about the friends who make me happy and the hobbies which keep me busy.
With a grand finality. Go forth and speak, David. Use those words with pride. Remember, you are a storyteller, and the world is waiting to hear your voice.
Gratitudely. Thank you, Emily. This was a lesson which I will never, ever forget.
With a joyful laugh. And that, my dear David, was the perfect ending. Until next time. Oh, David, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am just so thrilled to see your bright face today as we step into the beautiful world of English together.
Oh, Emily, I have been looking forward to this moment all day. My heart is actually racing because I am so ready to learn something new with you.
That is the spirit of a true explorer. Today, we are going to master two tiny words that carry so much power, who and which. Are you ready to dive into this adventure?
I am more than ready. I often get them mixed up, but I want to speak with the same grace and clarity that you do.
You are already so graceful, David. Now, imagine who is like a warm embrace. We use who exclusively for people. It is the word that connects us to the human soul.
The human soul. Oh, I love that. So if I am talking about my sister, I would use who?
Precisely. You might say, my sister, who always encourages me, is my best friend. Do you feel how who honors her as a person?
I do. It feels personal. It feels alive. So who is the heartbeat of the sentence when a person is involved?
Clapping her hands softly. What a spectacular way to put it. Yes, the heartbeat. Now contrast that with which. We use which for the magnificent things and the silent objects that surround us.
With so, if I am looking at my favorite leather journal, I should use which?
Softly and encouragingly. Exactly, my dear student. You would say, the journal, which sits on my desk, is full of my dreams. Which categorizes the world of objects and ideas.
Oh, that reminds me of a sentence I tried to write yesterday. I wrote, the car who is red is fast, but now I see a car doesn't have a heartbeat. It should be the car which is red, right?
Beaming with pride. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You've got it. A car is a wonderful machine, but it isn't a person, so we use which to describe its beauty.
But Emily, can I ask you a tricky question? What about my dog, Max? He isn't a human, but I love him like a brother.
With a gentle, knowing look. Oh, David, what a thoughtful observation. In English, when we love our pets and see them as family, we often use who to give them a personality.
With immense joy, really? So I can say Max, who loves to bark at the mailman? That makes me so happy.
Warmly. Yes, it shows the world that Max has a special place in your heart. Language is not just about rules, it is about how we feel and how we connect.
Inspired. This is just incredible. Who for the people and the souls we love, and which for the amazing things that fill our lives. It feels so much clearer now.
Can you imagine, David, how much more confident you will feel now? You are no longer just guessing. You are choosing your words with intention and love.
With deep sincerity. I feel it already, Emily. Your encouragement makes me feel like I can conquer any grammar mountain.
And with high energy and a big gesture, and you will. Every mistake is just a stepping stone, and every correct word is a victory. You are doing a magnificent job.
Exuberantly. Thank you, Emily. I am going to go home and write 10 sentences using who and which right now. I am so inspired.
Warmly and softly, go forth and shine, David. Your journey is beautiful, and I am so honored to be your teacher. We will talk again very soon.
With a final wave. Goodbye, Emily. Thank you for opening my eyes to the magic of these words.